Wood ashes. What are they good for? This is Eat and Be Eaten. We're going to show you 5 things. Let's go. First things first, you make wood ashes by setting wood on fire. The big thing you're going to use them for is fertilizer for your trees and garden. They act as a replacement for lime, which means they're going to raise the pH of your soil. So if you have naturally acidic soil like we do here in Hawaii, then it's going to make it more alkaline. They're loaded with all the nutrients from the tree, so it's good to give your plants a good shaking of it at least once a year. Especially if there's heavy feeders like corn that are depleting your soil and you need to replenish it, you can use cover crops and nitrogen fixers, or another great way is to spread the wood ashes. They're especially loaded with calcium, but also lots of potassium, phosphorus, and magnesium, so you're getting that PK out of that NPK. And if you want, you can make a tea out of it and apply it to the ground or your plants that way. If you click the link in the upper corner, you can see our whole Principles of Permaculture series. We've got videos on chop and drop nitrogen fixers, ground covers, compost buckets, making your own homemade charcoal, all that kind of stuff. So click that link if you want to see that. Now, like I said, you want to use these sparingly on your plants. And since we have so many different ways of making wood ashes, we got to find other uses for them as well. One good way is cleaning. Mix the ashes with water and they act as a natural abrasive for cleaning glass and metal. Also, if you have an oil leak like we do, our van was just leaking oil from a busted hose, you can use it to absorb that. Also, if it's slippery, if it's been really wet out, you can use the ashes to create more traction in that way. And going along with that, you can also use them to snuff out a fire. You can still kind of see the remnants right here from about a year ago. We lit like 1/4 of an acre on fire, a brush fire. Now, it wouldn't be too good for that, but if you have just a small fire, maybe somewhere in your house, you can use the ashes to snuff that out. And one last thing is pest control. We have lots of slugs here in Hawaii that carry a disease called rat lungworm that attacks the nervous system, so that's no good. So you can use it to kill certain pests like that, like slugs. Okay, we hope you liked the video. If you did, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. Give it a like, leave a comment. We've got whole playlists of permaculture videos like this from Hawaii. We also do hunting and fishing type stuff, Hawaii recipes, all that kind of thing. So if you want to check all that out and more, subscribe to the channel and we'll see you next time. Aloha!